Mr. Contractor, go out there and look at the biggest, the best, and most successful contractors in this industry in your mind, and what practices do they employ? Do they use public adjusters? Do they use attorneys? Of course they do, because that makes them money and it takes workload off of them, and it also provides them some exposure limitations, because as a contractor now they've got all these crazy stupid laws in different states that really limit what sort of interaction you can have with the insurance company, especially when it comes to anything having to do with policy. I'm not a supporter of those things. I'm not in favor of those things, but they can cause you some entanglements that, whether or not we agree with the laws, they're on the books and they are being enforced, and sometimes it just makes sense to hand that whole thing off to somebody who specializes and is licensed to deal in the insurance policy. Sometimes that's a public adjuster, sometimes that's an attorney, and that's a case-by-case basis.